Floral dipping is used to transform Arabidopsis plants with a reporter construct. The resulting transgenic plants are then examined for the expression of the reporter gene. First, young flowering Arabidopsis plants are dipped in a solution of Agrobacterium tumefaciens containing the reporter construct. Next, the plants are returned to their normal growth conditions until they produce seeds, a small percentage of which will be transformed with the foreign gene. The third step of the procedure is to collect the seeds from plants and sow them on selection medium containing antibiotics. Finally, the seedlings growing on the selection medium with antibiotics are examined. Transgenic seedlings containing the foreign gene are resistant to the antibiotics and remain alive, while the non-transgenic seedlings eventually turn white and die. Reporter gene expression in the transgenic seedlings is observed by staining the transgenic seedlings with the substrate of the reporter gene and observing the cells and tissues under a dissecting microscope.
Hi, I'm Chloe Mara from the laboratory of Dr. Zhongchi Liu in the Department of Cell Biology and Molecular Genetics at the University of Maryland.
I'm Boyana Grigorova, also from Dr. Zhongchi Liu's lab.
Today we will show you the floral-dip method for transforming Arabidopsis plants. We will then show you how to examine reporter gene expression in transgenic plants.
Our laboratory routinely uses these procedures to study gene expression and function in plants.
So let's get started.
Begin this procedure approximately 1 month prior to transformation. Sow Arabidopsis seeds into 4 to 8 5-inch square pots with approximately 10 to 15 plants per pot. And then place the sowed seeds at 4 degrees C in a cold room for 3 days before placing them in plant growth chambers. For transforming mutant Arabidopsis plants with reduced